Dear learners, in this video we just discuss how to use the Ajax inside the ASP.NET application. So basically Ajax is a client-side scripting language. So Ajax stands for Asynchronous JavaScript and XML. So Ajax controls add the script to the page which is executed and processed by the client browser itself. So it doesn't execute the code at the server side. It only executes the code at the client side itself. So Ajax having the different controls, that is pointer, script manager, then script manager proxy, then timer, update panel, update progress, and so on. So the script manager, which is used to load the JavaScript libraries to execute the code. Then update panel is used to refreshing the part of the page, and it contains the content template tag. Then timer control is used to create the new event after few seconds. That is, after every few seconds it just create the new event. And update progress is used to waiting task. That is, it just show the progress bar for waiting screen. Okay, so whenever we install any particular software, then it just show the installation bar. So same like it just show the progress bar or waiting bar with the help of update progress. So for example, suppose in this example we just show the updating session with time interval. That is, after each second it refreshes the particular page, so that what we think that the counter get started. So this particular feeling that can become with the help of this Ajax tags. So inside the page.load we just take the time, that is by using the syntax date time dot now dot too long time string. So this is the particular timer which is initially display inside the label, and here first tag inside the .aspx, that is ASP colon script manager to load the JavaScript libraries. Then ASP colon timer is used to refresh the particular page after how much interval, that is 1000 millisecond. Again, update panel is used to update the part of the particular page. So update panel id run at is server. So this update panel contains the one more tag, that is content template. So inside this particular content template we can write the tags which can be updated for us. So what we require, we have to update the time, whatever display over here. So for each second we have to update the time. So 1 2 3 4 5. So we want to show the feeling of that particular updation, so we have to write the label inside the content template. Again, content template completes, and trigger is used to post back the particular pages. That is, it just refreshes the pages again and again. So with the help of trigger we can use this particular task. So trigger having the one tag, that is asynchronous postback trigger. So for that we just connect the timer. So whatever the timer we just get, we have to just connect that particular timer to this postback. So after 1000 millisecond the page get refreshes. So this particular task that can be performed by using the ASP.NET, as and the Ajax tags. Thank you.